This property is a two-bedroom townhouse with terrace situated in Celenza Sul Trigno, a pretty hilltop village at 35 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. The house stands on 3 floors and measures 80 square meters. The main entrance is located on the ground floor, where we find a kitchen with a gas stove, a very bright living and dining room with balcony and 2 windows, which provide a lot of natural light. And completes the floor a bathroom. A comfortable staircase takes us to the first floor when we find a large master bedroom with 2 windows and access to the balcony. Then we find a single bedroom and a full bathroom with a bathtub. On the top floor, we find a beautiful panoramic terrace with a fantastic view on the hills, village, and mountains. The house is in perfect conditions, avails of double glazed windows, has all utilities connected, excluding central heating system, and it's on the market for €45,000.